Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Sweta. Good
Hi.
afternoon.
Hi, Anup.
Okay, so let me share my screen. So before I start the session, can you just brief about your profile, in which technology you have the experience and all?
So I am from a pharmacy background. Okay.
Mhm.
After my graduation, I worked for 2 years in the pharmacy background.
Mhm.
Like it's a IT pharmacy combination job, pharmacovigilance. For 2 years, I worked in India, and then I got married. I came to US.
Mhm.
Now I want to change my field to software industry here. So I learned Tableau to some extent, but not completely. I want to go into the job market with proper training. So that's the reason I'm looking for proper training.
Okay, okay. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
So basically in the Tableau, uh, as the Tableau is basically the data visualization tool.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
No worries. So as I said, the Tableau is basically the data visualization tool. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So the data visualization is what? Tableau. So it is basically the data visualization tool. Okay. So
Okay.
data visualization mean the company just want to see the better insights of their business, right? So
Yeah.
obviously the every company just want to grow in their business, right?
Yes.
So to grow the business, the company has to take the right decision at the right time,
Hmm.
correct?
Yes.
So every company has a data set, correct? And
Okay.
for that data set, management is not going to see the raw data set. Okay, for example, if you have the raw data set, and on the basis of the raw data set, if I ask you that please tell me what exactly happening into my business, okay,
Hmm.
so now you will not be able to answer that one. So for
Hmm.
that one, you will summarize the data,
Hmm.
correct? So
Hmm.
for that purpose, basically we create the dashboards.
Hmm.
You have heard about this one, right?
Yes.
Dashboard.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
So dashboard is what? So dashboard is basically the summarization of the multiple reports on the single page.
Okay.
Okay. For example, suppose if I have given you a data set, and on that, if I ask you, I just need a different cuts from this data set where I just want to see what is a region wise sales, what is a market wise sales, what is a profit, everything, right?
Hmm.
So and in which quarter which team has performed the well, in which quarter from which market we have raised more revenue, correct? So for all these, we just need a summary of the data. And that summary we are going to create in the terms of the dashboard. Okay. So Tableau basically helps to create the data visualizations. That is nothing but the dashboard. And when the management will have this dashboard, they can take the better insights of the data,
Okay.
right? So they will be able to know that what exactly running into their business and where they have to take the right decision, where the performance needs to be increased, what kind of a decision they have to take. So all these things the management can decide to make the business more fruitful.
Okay.
Okay, this one. For the date for this Tableau, the first of all, there is no programming language. Okay. You do not need to write any kind of a code to prepare any kind of a data visualization.
Mm.
The first thing. Second, the company basically is using this Tableau in the market. The reason is that because Tableau has a capability to hold the large volume of the data set.
Mm.
Like in the Excel, you can hold the 10,48,536 number of rows in a one sheet, right? And in the Excel, you have seen that in the 5,000 rows, even if you drag the formula, it's the processing gets slow or it start hanging, right? So we have to hold the large volume of the data set on which the Tableau is going to help you. Okay. So on the large volume, we can perform the data cleaning, we can create the visualizations. Is this clear till here?
Yes, yes.
Okay, this one. So Tableau is going to help you to create the data visualization by using the large volume data set.
Okay.
Now, the second point is Tableau has the multiple connectors. So connectors are what? See, if I say you have to create the dashboard, so for creating the dashboard, you should have the data, right?
Mm. Mm.
Now it depends where is the data. Data is into the Excel file, data is on the web page, data
Mm.
is on the Google Drive, data is on the cloud, that is Amazon Redshift, data is on the Snowflake. On which platform your data is existing, right?
Mm.
It might be my data is existing in the Excel file. It
Mm.
might be on the data which you are working, the company has the data on the SQL server,
Mm.
correct? So the Tableau has given the lot of the connectors to import the data set.
Mm.
So if you go into this Tableau, if you see this interface, so here you can see that Tableau has given the lot of these connectors.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
these are basically the connectors. So connectors are basically work as a bridge between the data source and the Tableau.
Between the data source and the Tableau.
And Tableau, yes. For example, if my data is existing on the Google Drive,
Mm.
okay, so
Mm.
I will use this Google Drive connector.
Okay.
So it will help me to connect my Tableau with that respective Google Drive to import the data.
Mm.
Okay, if my data is existing on the Microsoft SQL server, I will use this one.
Okay.
Okay, so
Mm.
all the connectors, they have just given it over here, and you can see the normal connectors are here.
Okay. Like,
Microsoft.
I also want to know the difference between what is like Tableau server, Tableau online, and these normal files. I'm from IPC background, so I want
Huh.
little.
So all these we are going to cover in the session.
Okay,
Okay, but
okay.
here I'm just gonna tell you
Like,
one product is a Tableau desktop. Okay,
okay,
which
okay,
you are able to see on my screen. This is a Tableau desktop.
okay,
So Tableau desktop is the tool where you create the data visualization.
okay.
Okay, so in the Tableau desktop, we import the data and we create the visualization.
Hmm.
Okay, second is a Tableau server.
Hmm.
Tableau server is basically the cloud based. Cloud
Hmm.
based is what? In the Tableau server, we are not going to create the visualization.
Hmm.
Okay, Once you create any kind of a visualization into the Tableau desktop and you want to publish on a platform from where you can share with the multiple end users. So that platform is known as a Tableau server.
Okay.
For example,
Hmm.
if you are creating a such dashboard in your Excel file,
Hmm.
okay, so
Hmm.
your Excel file is just like a Tableau desktop.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now I said whatever you have created in your Excel file, please place that Excel file in a common platform where multiple users can access.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Hmm.
that common platform is known as a Tableau server, from where you are putting your file and from there you are giving the access to the users.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear. Like
Okay.
here to a server is it's written, right? MySQL, Oracle,
The,
Amazon, Redshift.
these are the database servers. These are
Oh,
not the Tableau servers.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, these are the database server, and I will also tell you that how we connect from the SQL server.
Okay, okay.
Okay, because most of the time it also happens. See, on the server, I have the large volume data set,
Hmm.
but from that, if I just need to create the dashboards, and for that, it might be that example out of 10,000 records, I need only the 5,000 record,
Hmm.
right? So how you will extract the data by running that query?
Hmm.
Because the low volume data you will extract, or the refined data you will extract in the Tableau, the more performance will get increased,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? So that we will see in the data management activity.
Okay.
Okay. So there are two products which I have told you. One is a Tableau desktop and second is a Tableau server.
Okay.
Okay. So see, simple, you have to click on a connector. Like I just clicked on this Microsoft, this one. And now if I just want to import any of the data set Excel, I have simply clicked on that.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Once I click, now it is establishing the connection between that Excel file and this Tableau.
Hmm.
See. So here you can see the Tableau file name, and here you can see the sheets which is existing into that Excel file.
Hmm.
Okay. If you want to see what kind of a data do we have, you can simply click on this view data. If you click on this, it will tell you that in this sheet, we have this data set. See,
Okay.
okay, this one.
Okay. Okay.
So in individual sheets, I can see that what kind of a data is existing.
Hmm.
Okay. And for this one, whatever the data we have to use for the visualization, simply we have to drag this data into this drag sheet here section, into this canvas.
Hmm.
So once I drag it here, I will be able to see the data from that particular sheet.
Okay.
Okay, so it will load the data,
Hmm.
this one.
Hmm.
And once your data is loaded, then we will start creating the visualizations.
Hmm.
Okay. And also we will see the calculated fields. So what are the calculated fields? The calculated fields means the field which is not existing into your raw data, but you want to create through the some formulas.
Hmm.
Okay. For example, suppose if I have given you the sales and I have given you the profit, suppose you have a two columns. Okay.
Hmm.
And now I just want to know the net revenue, but
Hmm.
net revenue column is not into my data set.
Hmm.
So for the net revenue, I said the sales minus profit is equals to net revenue.
Hmm.
Okay. So you have to create a column here, which is basically the net revenue column.
Hmm.
So through the some formulas, like in the Excel, you have used the if function, left, right, find, mate, right? All
Yes.
this concatenate and all. So whatever the function you have used in the Excel also, but we can also use in the Tableau, and also the some advanced function of the Tableau also.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. And now in the sheet one, if I just click, I will be able to see all the headers here.
Hmm.
Okay. So I can simply drag and drop. See, like I drag this category here, I drag the sales here. So it will create the category wise sales.
Hmm.
So if you want to see the category wise sales, so simply you have to drag the fields.
Hmm.
Okay. So you can drag the field, or if you do the double click here, na,
Hmm.
see, like this. So I can type the field here, like the sales. Okay,
Mm.
I press enter, and now here, suppose if I'm typing this category, I can type this also. So can you see the category by sales?
Yes, yes.
This one. Now we can perform the multiple formatting into this one, that here I just want to show the data labels. Data labels are nothing but basically the exact figures or the
Mm.
values.
Mm.
Okay. So like here you can see the exact value of the sales,
Yes, yes.
right? And we can also more modify into the display unit. Like here the complete figure is showing. But
Mm.
here if you want to show like the 4.1 million or 3.7 million, right?
Mm.
So that also we can do, which we will see into the session.
Mm.
So we are going to uh, see all these things into the session when we will start that one.
Mm.
And in this, I will just cover all the real scenario cases. I will also give you the project. I will also give you the assignments.
Okay.
Because until I will not give you the assignments, you will not be able to understand that what exactly the feature and functionalities are.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Like actually, I want to just tell you that I want more of practical dashboards knowledge.
See,
Yeah.
if you want to create any practical dashboards or the real scenario dashboards, so firstly you should be understand that
Mm.
what are the features or the functionalities into that application,
Yeah. Mm.
right?
Mm.
So that we will start from the scratch level, and slowly and gradually we will just go for the dashboard creation.
Okay.
Hmm.
And
And that,
also, I wanted to ask you another thing. Sorry, continue. Continue.
tell me.
Uh, Please carry on. I don't remember. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Uh, like this Tableau environment. Do you have any environment suggestions? Like how do I practice on my computer?
So for this one, you just need to install the Tableau into your system.
Yeah, it's asking for multiple email IDs. That is what you're suggesting?
No. You can use any of your Gmail ID or any public domain email ID, na?
Huh.
So you can use that one. But that is basically for the 14 days trial version,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's what
Ah.
I'm asking. Yeah.
So yeah, so in the session when we will start, I will also help you in that. We have also the one Tableau version which we can install for the 1 year.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay, okay,
that one. So
okay,
for that one, the few things are required,
okay,
and if you can arrange that, then that is fine. So yes, there is a functionality for the 1 year Tableau student version.
okay, okay, okay.
Mhm.
That's one question. Okay. So in this training will take how long? 1 month, right? So we'll be
Yes,
covering all the real time, and you will help me in like designing dashboards, right?
correct.
Mostly, yeah. And
Yeah,
a major issue for me is regarding the data. Like I have
yeah.
practiced a little bit of dashboards, but
Then
I'm
I will share the data set. So on the daily basis, whatever the file, for example, today we have seen the few topics. Okay,
mm, mm,
then related to that topic, the same file, the same data set, all the things you will receive from the my end. I will share with the team. Team will
mm.
share with you.
Okay, okay,
So data set, file, session, recording session, each and everything you are going to receive that.
okay, okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So, and like, what if I have some doubts if I am practicing on Tableau Public or something? Can you help me? Like, uh,
After the session you are asking, or during the session?
during the session itself. Like,
Okay.
session will be around how many hours? 1 hour, 1 hour or
Session
2
will
hours?
be for the 1 hour. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
1 hour we will go for this one, and
Mm,
I will also give you the time. Okay. So for
mm,
example, suppose if I have just covered the one or the two topic, okay,
mm, mm,
then after that I will give you that 5 to 10 minutes as per the topic. Okay.
Mm.
And then perform the same thing at your end. If you
Okay.
are facing any challenges, you can
Mm.
share your screen. I can guide you where you have done the mistake and so on. Once
Okay.
the things is clear to you, I will move on the third topic like this.
Okay. Okay.
After each and every topic, I will give you the some time so you can perform the same thing during the session also.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Anything else? You have any query, Sudha?
Yeah, majorly my question was I want more of practical dashboards knowledge,
Hmm.
and yeah, whatever doubts I have, I need a little bit guidance.
Aha, that I will help you. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So you can connect with the team and just discuss as per your final call.
Okay,
So you can just make the schedule then. Okay.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you,
Thank
team.
you.
Yeah.